Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Adventures of Jarve. I'm Harvey, this is Jade, and today is actually my birthday, June 29th.
Happy birthday celebrations for Harvey. Bam, bam, bam.
Yeah, whoop, whoop. We're actually going out to do some mountain biking. Jade, where are we going?
We are going to Alafia River State Park. Go do some trailblazing. About 15 minutes out, middle of nowhere, Florida. Just less than an hour outside of Tampa. Cow is on the right.
Kind of a hill. Yeah, man-made hills on the left. You know, Florida. Yeah, it's supposed to be a really cool trail. So excited to check it out and show you guys what we can. Sometimes these things are closed off, so we can't show everything, and it's been raining a lot here lately, so we'll see. But yeah, stay tuned. All right, we made it out here, getting all geared up to go out. Looks like there's a nice little bike shop over there. All right, getting our Strava app up. You aren't familiar with that. Strava, S-T-R-A-V-A. It's a great way to track all your rides, and you can actually track everything else or any other activities, you know, walking, paddling, you know, anything like that. But, you know, we primarily use it for our mountain bike rides, so. Never got tape nude?
No.
Why is that red light on? It just means the battery's charging. Wow, a lot of fun. Not over yet, but I will recommend coming on a cooler day. It's probably at least 90 right now. It's supposed to get up to about 94, so hot. If you're gonna come, bring lots of water, or pick a cooler day, or earlier or later. We're like, I think 11:30 right now, and it's blazing. Jade's having fun.
That was scary, man.
That was creepy, right?
Oh, shit.
Yeah. That big drop was like,
I psyched myself up for that one.
I'm gonna die. Magic Island. I love Magic Island. Oh shit! Oh shit! Woo! Saved it!
Good, you went that way?
I almost died. Look at that.
Go that way?
I almost died. Mushrooms! Let's eat them! This place is actually really big. We only did this little section here. We're right around here right now. We still got all this. I don't know if we'll make it, but... Oh, it's broken. It's my second derailleur. Not very good with these. I guess that wraps it up because I got a broken bike. So, hey, maybe the bike shop's got a derailleur. Well, it's my lucky day. They happen to have the part and they're installing it right now. So we'll get back out there. This place conveniently located. So happy birthday to me. Looks like we're all pitched up. Yeah, she made it. Well, how was it?
Epic.
Epic. Hot, epic and hard. Well, that concludes our adventure for today. We were actually supposed to go to a spring, Alafia. It's like 15 minutes away, but they're actually closed for, I don't know, renovations or maintenance or flooding. So that would have been cool. Come here, get hot, and go cool off in the spring. So we didn't actually make all of it. This place is actually really big, so there's definitely a lot to do. The North Creek, pretty much all black, all hard stuff. Roller coaster, the last one here, that was what? Blue as well, but a little more flowy, a little easier. And then it has the black trails coming off it, and then there's a whole nother section that we completely missed because we've been here too long and we got a little malfunction that we took care of. So I think that about wraps it up. Bye. Bye. And we'll see you next time. It's kind of dangerous. You see anything? Go away now. Nice. Boy. See? Chicken hawk! Are you a chicken hawk? Okay, bye.